Salt Plumes by Ray De Palma. A plea of light has been here twice, back to the day and the day back. A bearing refused at its source, the stalled mercury fused in its glare. With no conjecture to mark the limit, the motion is modified. Convolutions of ancient scripts, half drawn, half animal birth. The arch of the back, one surface, one depth, one changing shape. An apology for crossing the pulse of offspring. Uncommon offerings commonly intuited, a wooden bowl with a gilded edge, 5 dark stone knives, a small clasped vessel for oil with a floating wick, flanked by 2 wax birds. Space is a factor whose mapping disturbs our conversation, a prospect of careful plans tended by argument and birdsong, then abandoned into palindrome. The flex of barrier and immaculate reticence relent in equal shares unseparated by edge or rhythm's orientation. Amid the subtle claims of threnody, no other sense of praise than wonder. Predation, mythic proxy, inflected the unanimous struggle of particulars, primed in situ, white for decay, red for the eye, blue beneath the snow. A cold wind noticed too late, now equitably disposed, something brought to completion, though the worm was in it beyond the forms of ball. Emptied markers burning in the ruts, deliberative motives more in balance than real, fixtures of an arguing anxiety, more generous, less fragile, neglected by speculation, plainest increase finds the barb. In the morose distortions of small forms and the thin yellow words of the infatuation, it brings its own set of questions, like something brought to be abandoned by the side of the road. Description is what has been taken away, the infinite loss in the simulacrum of displacement. A number, not an arrangement, but farther on, not in the distance, but insistence. The hours gained in anonymity, the years lost word by word, contradicted by the myopia of its internal logic. Uphill favors sediment. Imagio, the gift imparted, the cross-eyed shuffle of expedients. Too late the song, too late the door. Flies open, too late the spoken mercies, too late the fabric bone. Wandering ligatures accelerate expansion to primary acquisition. Nomadic recourse, absorbed in gerundive detail, reclaims the discretionary pursuit. Essentials, the exactions of light, extolling the riot of genetic ambivalence. No ulterior